Hi, I'm Craig. Welcome to the battery shop. Today we'll show you how to replace the 12-volt battery in this 2021 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The battery is located right here in the back of the vehicle. It's a little bit harder to get to. For that reason, we recommend you check with your manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to make sure you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace a battery in a vehicle like this. Here's how it's done. We are using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive while the battery is being replaced. The first step is to fold the cargo liner out of the way and then remove the deck board assembly. And then remove the battery service hole cover. With gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable. You'll need a 10mm wrench for that. And then remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal and set it off to the side. Then remove the battery vent hose from the side of the battery. And then loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable using your 10mm wrench. And remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal and set it off to the side. Next, loosen the fasteners for the battery's hold-down bracket using your 10mm wrench. And remove the bracket. Now we can remove the old battery. And install the replacement battery. Next, reinstall the battery's vent hose into the side of the battery. Be sure to install the vent plug into the side of the battery, opposite the vent hose tube. This can be done after the battery has been installed. The vent plug should come with your battery. And then reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket and tighten the fasteners. Now we can reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these clamps on, as that can cause internal battery damage. And tighten the fastener. And replace the protective cover. Then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal. And tighten the fastener. Now we can reinstall the battery service hole cover. And finally, replace the deck board assembly and cargo liner. And we're done. Many late model vehicles have to have their replacement battery registered or coded with the vehicle's battery management system. Refer to the service and repair manual for your vehicle to see if this needs to be done. If so, check out our videos on how to do this. The links to them are in the video's description below.